There you go. It's playing.
What happened to you? Huh?
Change it up. In my house. They are sure. You have man in my house, in the house. Wait till late. She bring them in my house. Feel me their country. When they are in the country. The house. Right behind the door. Knock me out with a padlock. Most of the whole of me. They think me there ground, they think me dead. I try to drive out of the gate, drive through the gate with the car, the gate locked, I go through a locked gate with the car. She lock up in the car with a video camera, and I try to go in the car, she lock up herself in the car with a video camera. A video, to make the media say, I go back, I war her, go back now, war her. She are the one. About 3 months now, me and children there, around 3 months, in the street, everybody can see. Me alone in the street and people see me. Me alone. We have 10 pound vice note. I send threat all the country. Say she go kill the man. Any of the man come at home. The brother will come up on the show country. Say I'm kill. We have vice note on everything. Right now people. The media this I go to. Right now. That's how I go. Look. Doctor, me I go now.